Hey, booked and covered fam, ready to turn a rainy day or weekend into a discovery adventure? Today we're exploring some of New York City's best family-friendly museums, places where kids and grown-ups both say, wow. Think dinosaurs, space shuttles, storytelling, hands-on art, all in the heart of NYC. Stay tuned, because I'll also share movie moments, celebrity shout-outs, and tips so your museum day goes smoothly. American Museum of Natural History, AMNH. History and what makes it special. Opened in 1869, AMNH is one of the world's largest natural history museums. Over 40 permanent exhibit halls, plus the Rose Center for Earth and Space. Famous for its dinosaur fossils, massive Dinosaurs wing up on the 4th floor. Also the giant blue whale in the Milstein Hall of Ocean Life. The new Mignoni Halls of Gems and Minerals showcase rare gems like the Star of India, Patricia Emerald, etc. It's been redesigned with storytelling and interactivity in mind. Also great for younger kids, the Discovery Room, ages approximately 4 to 12, has hands-on science, real fossils, microscopes, building casts, etc. Movie/pop culture/celeb notes. AMNH is the setting for Night at the Museum, 2006. That alone makes it a must for many families. Celebrities often reference it, especially science fiction fans and natural history lovers, but the Night at the Museum films are by far the biggest pop culture tie. Tips for visiting: American Museum of Natural History. Buy timed entry tickets in advance, especially for special exhibits or the planetarium, to avoid long lines. Plan which halls you want to visit. It's huge. Even adults can get museum fatigue. Use the Discovery Room early in your visit. Kids are fresh then. Bring or plan for snacks/lunch nearby. Cafeteria is large but busy. Intrepid Sea, Air and Space Museum. History and what makes it special. The Intrepid Museum is built around the aircraft carrier USS Intrepid, commissioned 1943, which served in World War II, the Cold War, and as a NASA recovery vessel. On-deck and inside exhibits include military aircraft, the Space Shuttle Enterprise, the Concorde when on display, a submarine, flight simulator, Children's Museum of Manhattan, CMOM, and Brooklyn Children's Museum. Founded in 1973, originally called GAME, it's focused on arts, culture, science for younger kids. It's currently on West 83rd Street, but has plans to move to a larger, landmarked church building on Central Park West by approximately 2028. The new building will feature 7 stories, maker spaces, STEAM, performance venues, reading labs, and more. Brooklyn Children's Museum. One of the oldest children's museums in the U.S., founded in 1899. It has an expansion renovation, so space is doubled, lots of hands-on exhibits, located in Crown Heights. Very good for younger kids who want interactive art, natural science, culture. Movie/pop culture/celeb notes. CMOM doesn't get as many movie moments, but its new location and design ambitions are making it more talked about in media and by arts/education influencers. Brooklyn Children's Museum sometimes features in local NBC-type stories, school field trip viral videos, etc., but fewer big Hollywood film scenes. Tips: Children's Museum of Manhattan, CMOM, and Brooklyn Children's Museum. For CMOM, especially with young toddlers, shorter visits are better. Don't try to see everything in one go. Check open hours and closures. Many children's museums are closed certain weekdays. Engage kids with hands-on things first, which they can touch, then lowering exhibits. Bring extra clothes/something for mess. Some exhibits are messy or tactile. The Met, Metropolitan Museum of Art, and Museum of the City of New York, founded in 1872, one of the largest art museums in America. Massive collection over many centuries and cultures. Great for family walks, costume arms and armor, Egyptian statues, medieval armor, etc. Also, its steps are famous pop culture icons. Movie/TV references. The Thomas Crown Affair, 1999, and Ocean's 8, 2018, include scenes at the Met. Also, in Gossip Girl, the MET steps are used many times. Museum of the City of New York, established 1923 by Henry Collins Brown to display the history, culture, and art of New York City and its people. So there you have it. 5 NYC museums that are perfect for families, each with its own vibe. From dinosaurs to aircraft carriers, from hands-on art to stories of New York itself. Which one will your family visit first? If you liked this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and let me know in the comments. What's your favorite museum memory in NYC? Or what museum you want me to cover next? Until next time, stay curious. Booked and Covered signing off.